Hi guys, welcome in. Just a quick video on some of the questions that we get a lot during the live show. So I figured let me make a video. This way you could always go back to it. So people always want to know how do you sign up for a live show, right? Because there's two ways to sell on Poshmark. You could do regular closet, or you could do live shows. So very simple. Go to Google, type in Poshmark live shows, and then when you scroll down right here. It's the beta test. Now you open this up, and this article is going to contain a form that you fill out in the very beginning. See right here, and it says this form, and it lets you to click on it. And it's a very simple form, one-page form, and then you submit it. Now let's look at it from the beginning. They have recently changed something because I have not seen it in the past. It says the current wait time list is approximately 16 weeks. 16 weeks, it's 4 months. So it's a ton, right? I've waited maybe 3 weeks, but I did it. I signed up all the way in October. So it's 16 weeks. Is it gonna be 16 weeks? Who knows? Maybe it's gonna be less, maybe it's gonna be more. But you know what? Sign up for it anyway. Now, one of the questions, um, now also, look, it says Poshmark Ambassador 1 or 2 currently have the priority access while on the wait list. So a lot of times people ask, well, do I have to be an ambassador? And some people were saying yes, some people were saying no. Now I have people telling me that they did not have it and they got on. So, okay, so based on this, it says you do not have to be, but if you do, you will have access over the people that don't. So, my guess is even if you're not a ambassador, do this application anyway. And then I saw somewhere it said that if you become an ambassador during the wait list time that you're waiting, let them know. So do the application, work on becoming an ambassador in the meantime, and do the application. It's only a couple of questions. Now, if you feel like 16 weeks is a ton of time, there's another website, right? Let's not forget about the Whatnot. This was the very first like website that did the live shows before Poshmark. It's very easy to get on this platform. There's no waiting list. I got on it within 2, 3 days. So even though this might not be your, perfect choice number one plan, test it out. You know what? Maybe who knows? Maybe you're gonna end up liking it better. They do have lower fees. And they've been around with the live shows way more longer than Poshmark. I know Poshmark has been experiencing a lot of glitches lately, so who knows? Maybe this is gonna work out better for you. But let this be your experimental bunny, right? Learn from this, and then you're not gonna be so scared or shy to do the Poshmark once you get the live. So I will see you in the next video. This will be it for now. This was just a brief overview on how to get access to live shows.